Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to show custom field value in email using custom code in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in checkout page. So this is our custom field we created using custom code. So by using this code, we are going to create custom field. So we are going to show custom field value in email for both user and admin email. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin, write WP code. So this is plugin WP code insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation, on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet. So click on it. Then you see add your custom code. So again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down. You can add title A. Then you see code preview. On right side you see code type. Drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code. And you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So by using this code, we are going to display custom field value in email. Now in code you see get ID. So this is our custom field ID. Now you see, and then you see text custom car engine number. Now go to checkout page. Now you see custom car engine number. Right click on it and then click on inspect. Now inspect element open and then you see input type and then you see ID engine underscore number. Now copy this. Now back to code. Now you see engine underscore number added on both location. Don't remove underscore. Now you see, so you can add custom field ID according to your requirement. Now scroll down. You see insert method auto insert location run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to checkout page and refresh the page. Now you see billing detail. So we are going to add custom car engine number. Now you see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and then you see order payment gateway. Enable this option and then click on place order. Now you see order received and then we are going to check email. Now go to email. Now you see new order. So this is admin email. Now you see custom car engine number and then you see value 1 2 3. Now go to user email. Now you see thank you for your order. Scroll down and then you see custom car engine number. So custom field value show in both email, admin email and user email. So by using custom code, you will display custom field value in both email, admin or user. So just add your custom field ID in both location and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.